Hello, welcome to another new video of SAP ABAP. In this video, we will explore what are the conditional statements and how we can use it, and what are the benefits of conditional statement, what target we can achieve by using conditional statement. Everything is live in this video. So let's begin. First of all, let's discuss the definition of conditional statement. In every language, conditional statements plays a very vital role for the execution of program, for any decision making, and for any particular business logic to be implemented. So, if we discussed in ABAP, we have two conditional statements type. One is if else if, and number two is case switch case. So conditional statements are commonly used for implementing conditional logic. They allow us to execute different block of code based on evaluation of a certain condition. Here the block of code mean, let's discuss this is a block of code. Block of code mean the certain group of code, like in every statement we perform some task. Last in statement 1 we do task 1, let's say print anything, and statement 2 we did task 2, let's to perform some calculation, and statement 3 we do task 3. So in every line we are performing some tasks and achieve something. So we can say all the three tasks are the group of code. So if these three tasks is used to achieve a single task, so we can say that these are the block of code. So if we want to execute this block of code for some condition, so we use if and else if or case statement. Hope you understand. Now, so if else statement have three phases, it's mean that we can use if else statement in three ways. So let's explore number one. Number one is if and if. In this condition, in this statement, we only use if and if, and between this, we use to write the statement which we want to execute between which we want to execute when the condition will be true. And number second phase of if else statement is in this condition we check first of all first condition like if and then condition, and then execute. If the condition is true, we execute the code or block of code, and then if the condition is false, the program will go to the else block of code, else statement, and the system will automatically execute the codes or block of code which are lying under the else statement. So in this phase of conditional statement of if else, we are evaluating only one condition, and rest gone to the else statement. The point is only one condition is focused in this way of if and else if. So let's explore number third phase of if and else if. The third phase has is using in many program, and it is the most commonly used because every program has many condition, and every business have many condition to be checked. So if we want to check, if we want to evaluate in many condition, so we use this phase of if else if statement. So let's find it. In this if else if phase, we first check the condition, first condition, and then if first condition is true, we go the statement after the first condition will be execute, and if the first condition is false, the system will goes to the first else if and check another condition, and if another condition is false, if another condition is false, it goes to the else else block. So if the second condition is true, the automatically the code execute in the else if condition will be executed automatically. It also can contain code or block of code. So we can use this for evaluating many conditions or many business logics. So like this we can duplicating else if we want to check another condition, if we want to another condition, we can also use else if and so on. There is no restriction of using else if between the if and if. So if all the condition evaluate and all the condition make false, so automatically the code which have under the else block will be executed automatically. Let's do some practical examples so then you can easily understand. Let's go to the system. Here it is. So let's make a program. Go to the program. You know this transition code is SE38, and here I gave a program name and then click on the create button. It's asking for the program title, control statements, then select executable test program and then save. Just give the local object because we don't want to transport it to another system. Now our program is ready for statements. So for the ease of convenience, I have written a program regarding the control statement. First of all, I declared a data type of type I, age, and I move a value 30. Let's I move a value and I move a value 30 in it in this variable, and I am using the if condition like this. If age is greater than equal to 18, write you are an adult. The system will go to the block, write you are an adult, and then close the if statement. This is the first phase of if statement, and for the second phase of statement, I write if its second condition the age is greater than equal to 18. If this condition is true, then the system will write you are an adult. Otherwise, it's write you are not yet an adult. So let's explore the third phase of if-else statement. Here, the system will check two conditions. Either the age is greater than equal to 18, it will write this statement, or if or this statement is if this statement is false, the system will move on to the else if statement and will check that the age is greater than equal to 13. The GE is used for greater than equal to, and the LE is used for less than equal to condition checking. So if the age is between 13 and 20, it means you are a teenager. A system will write a teenager, and if both condition will goes to wrong, the the message will system throw you are yet an adult. It means the else statement will place in rule, and the system will portray this statement. Let's activate the program. Here it is. The system has been activated. Let's execute it. You are an adult. You are an adult. You are an adult. Because we execute, the system executed all the three statements. So the value of age is 30. The system print. The system check it greater than 18 condition and print you are an adult. Here in the second phase, it's check again condition and goes to this statement you are adult, print second time, and and the third time it again check the condition and goes to the goes to this block of code of the first steps. So let's change the value of age. Let's type 12. The slash variable make to enter to insert a line bit formatting. All right, here it is. This is our program has been executed. Here it is. The system has been printed. You are not yet an adult. You are not yet an adult. Let's check it out. Because the first condition is gone goes wrong, so system didn't print any message. And when the system goes to the another block, second block, the system check the condition first. This condition is going to wrong because the age is 12. The system print you are not yet an adult. In the third way, it again check the condition. The condition is false, and again check the another condition. And the second else if age greater than equal to 12 and 13 condition. So this condition is also going to gone false because the age is 12. So in this way, finally it goes to the else statement and print you are not yet an adult. Let's try something else to clearly understand the if else if statement. Let's change the value to the between the 13 and 20. So then we check the teenager condition. Let's give the value 15 and activate again. Execute. Here it is. You are not yet an adult, and the second message is you are a teenager. It means system only print two statement. This one will goes to wrong, and nothing is print in this step. In the second step, the system will find that the condition is again false. So system print you are not yet an adult. And in the third step, the system again check first condition. It goes wrong, and the second is when the system comes in the first else if I check that the value is between 13 and 20. So that is why it's print you are a teenager. And finally, because this statement goes true, the system doesn't goes to else else statement. So hope you understand. Let's again execute the program for clear understanding. Let's execute. So system are printing you are yet an adult and you are a teenager. You are a teenager and you are yet an adult. So in this way, we can use our if and else if statement, or we can also execute a block of statement also. Let's try a block of code. Control C and Control V. Let's make it something unique. 777 and give it a date. Change the message so then we particularly identify the block of. Let's execute it. And let's execute it. Here it is. The block of code has been executed, not a single statement. It's mean when the condition true, we can print, we can do any block of code when the condition and the required condition is true. So hopefully you learn something a lot and find this is interesting. What is if and else if statement in ABAP. If you like this video, do click on the like button and do subscribe my channel for to watch new informative videos in the future. Till then, take care. Bye bye.